I was watching the ISA Boys and Girls Championship last night, and I could almost cry. I realized that Puma sponsored all the gears that the children or the athletes were performing in. And I am saying to myself, is it that the Jamaican, that ISA, the Jamaica track team, sell out Jamaican sports to America for, I don't even know why. It's a shame. They bring in this new rule to the meet that the top athletes are not allowed to perform, because if their shadow move in the blocks, they are disqualified. So many of our top athletes who are looking forward to getting sponsorship so that they can go abroad and better themselves and their families are no longer so, because this rule that they brought out now to our little boys and girls who are trying to compete, their hopes and dreams are being dashed. Jamaica, what's happening to our sports? Our sports that Merlin, Atian, McKinley, and all our 4 people used to use, that sell Jamaica sports to where it's at now. Where is it? What's happening? You know, they talk about them sell airport and they sell cement. You don't see what happened to our to our sports. You don't see what is happening to our sports, or not too busy. You're not too busy at the Tops and Roses till nobody now watch Champs again. You don't see it's a Champ smash up. What the heck is happening with our athletes? The amount of children, the amount of athletes that were disqualified last night. I am perturbed, I am disgusted as what will happen today. You're psychologically damaging our youths with this crazy false start thing that you push on our children who are trying to compete. They are children. And I understand that they have to prepare for the big world. I understand. But the big world, when we see the big old man and woman, them a perform, them not undergo this one. We see uno put our little children, them a stadium under. Jamaica, I want to do sell out our sports to appease America. Our name take over the whole world too much. And it is so good to know that a mother name her child Usain. And to see the little picnic there stadium I run last night and a bus medal and a run, me feel so good. If you know, say the mother named the picnic Usain and the picnic come and I live up to the name. I want to try to do kill out the Jamaican sports. We can't sit down and allow this. We cannot sit back and allow our youth to career to topple over because for whatever reason, we sell out our athletes, we sell out our sports to America in order to get name brand clothes. Listen, man. Why go on a stadium that make no sense? Why not try to cripple and paralyze champs? Why not try to cripple and paralyze champs? Take a grip on yourself, Jamaica. When me see a go on can't work, we mash up with youths.